Is your screen flickering or flashing while you're browsing Google Chrome or watching YouTube? It's incredibly annoying when you're just trying to use your browser, but don't worry, it's a common issue with a simple fix. In this video, I'll guide you through 2 different methods to stop the flickering for good. If this tutorial helps you out, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more PC tips. First, let's try the most common fix. Go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the 3 dots. Drop down and select Settings. On the left sidebar or in the search bar at the top, type in Acceleration. You'll see an option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Go ahead and toggle that switch off. Once you do that, a relaunch button will appear. Click it to restart your browser and see if the flickering is gone. If that didn't work, we need to adjust the internal graphics settings. Go to your address bar at the very top and type in Chrome/flags and hit Enter. In the search box on this page, type in Graphics or Angle. Look for the setting called Choose Angle Graphics Backend. It's usually set to Default. Click the drop-down menu. If you see OpenGL, try selecting that. If not, select D3D9. Click Relaunch at the bottom of the screen to apply the changes. If you are still seeing flickering after that, come back to this same menu and try selecting D3D11 on 12 or D3D11 WARP, then restart again.